Hello guys, welcome to Code with this channel. Today we are gonna dive into list and we are gonna do it in Python. Now first let's know what a list is. Here it's mentioned as list is an ordered sequence of items. It is one of the most used data type in Python and is very flexible. All the items in a list do not need to be of the same type. Let's understand what it means. List is an ordered sequence of items. See, once if you have created a list, the order is fixed. It's not unordered. If it is ordered, we can use index numbers for that. That is, at index 0 we have this element, at index 1 we have this element, and that is fixed. And the next thing is, it is one of the most used data type in Python and it is very flexible. Here it's mean what is mean very flexible means like you can add or remove item from any index number or from any place, or you can add however you want elements into the list. And the third one is all the items in your list do not need to be of the same data type. We will look into this. That is, data types may be different. So first let's go to list creation. See, this is how a list is created. An empty list. We use square brackets to present the list. Let's run that. Okay. And then see here we have list of strings and list of integers, list of list, and then we have list of elements of different data types. List 1 we have strings, next integers, and then we have list of list. See this is one list and this is one list, and here you see we have an integer, string, integer, and a float. These are all of different data types, but we can keep them in a single list. Let's run this and we are now printing all the list. See, we have got the same list here which we have mentioned above. And the next thing we are gonna see is length of a list. It's very simple to find a length of the list. Here we are gonna use a length function to know the length of the list. Simply keep it as a length of the list which you want to know. Here I have kept it as list 4. Let's see. See, it has given us 4. Where is list 4? We have here. And then we'll count the number of elements in this. 1 2 3 4. We have got the answer as 4, so the length of the list 4 is 4. Let's try it with another one. Let's check it for list 2. See, we have got 3 and here it's 3. Yes, it's working fine. And the next thing we are gonna do is list append. See, append is used to add an element at the end of the list. We are not gonna specify any index number or position. Just if we give once it as append, it directly adds it to the end of the list. We have list 1 dot append 4. Let's see what are the elements in list 1. We have these elements in list 1, 1 2 3, and then we are gonna append 4 to this list. Let's see the result, what it will be. See, we have got the list as 1 2 3 4. 4 is added to the end of the list. Before we have only 1 2 3, and now we have got a 4. And next thing is list insert. Here list insert is used to insert an item at the desired index position. Append, it is only added at the end, and insert, we can specify the position or index number where the specific element need to be added. So here list1 dot insert 0 comma, we have given the element as 0 and we have specified the position as a 0. See, now present list 1 elements or items are 1 2 3 4. If we add 0 at the 0 position, it should be like 0 1 2 3 4. Let's see the result. Yeah, There it is, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can also change, let me say like a position at number index 2. Let me give a break. See, we have got break at index number 2. This is index number 0, this is 1 and this is 2. Always remember that the index number starts with 0. It's not with 1, it starts with 0. So we have got break here. And next we have is list, append and extend. Let's know the difference here between append and extend. We already seen what is meant by append. Let me run this. See, we have list 1 now as 0, 1, break 2, 3, 4, and list 2 we have it here as 1, 2, 3. Let's run the both append and extend. Let's see the difference. Even extend is also used to add an element, but there is a slight difference between them. Let me run this append thing. See what it has done. List 1 is this up to 4 and list 2 is this one. See here, it didn't add the elements of list 2 to list 1. It had added the list 2 combinedly to the list 1. Like list 2, you can see here it's a list. List is added at the end of the list 1. Now let's run the extend thing. See, uh, now this the total thing becomes the list 1. This total becomes the list 1. Now we have given extend. Uh, we have added list 2 to list 1. See, until here it's list 1 and this is list 2. And the elements of the list 2 are added to the list 1. See here, we don't see the list of 1, 2, 3. It's only the elements that is getting added to the list. uh, the difference is append will append the list to the first list and extend will add the items of the second list to the first list. And that's the difference. And let's move to list delete and remove. Here also it does the same functionality. Delete and remove both erases the item from a list, but the way we do it is a little different. Let's do it with like delete list of 1. Here we are using index number. If we use delete del keyword, we use the index number. Now see, this is the list 1 and we have at index position 1. We have 1 at index position, and if we run this we should get a list without 1. Let's see. Yeah, see here. We have 0 and break. We don't have 1 in between, that is it got deleted. We can use another method or function to delete a item from the list, that is called pop. The same thing like list 1 dot pop. You have to mention the index number here. Pop of 0. 0 means we have a 0 in our index position 0. So the output should be like break 2, 3, 4 and so on. Let's see. Let's run it. Yeah, we got break 2, 3, 4. The number that is 0 at index 0 has gone deleted. Then remove. See, delete and pop, we use the index number of that specific item to delete it. But here we directly use the item itself. We don't have to specify the index number. Now we have, this is the list one we have. And from here we want to delete item 4. See this item. We need to delete it. Let's see and run it. Yeah, see here we don't have 4. It means 4 got deleted from this list. Yeah. That's it. Just remember the difference between append and extend, delete and remove. In append, the list itself get appended at the end of the first list, and extend, the elements of the second list will be appended to the list one. Clearly observe the difference. And in list delete and remove, for delete we use index number to delete the item, and we use remove, for remove we use the element itself. For delete we can use another method called as pop. And that's it for this video. Let's see the other part in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.